Hi. So I'm back with I guess this is technically my fourth Filson. This is my first Filson that sort of started the crazy. This is, just to do a quick little show, this is the Filson Weatherproof Satchel. Weatherproof, not waterproof. I will say this is one of the best handbags I've ever seen in terms of structure and quality. So be prepared if you get a Filson. It's going to be the first of many. Anyways, let's start unboxing. It's so funny. This actually came on Friday, and I was expecting it. I don't know when I was expecting it to come, but right around like Friday night or Saturday night, I started looking around like, I'm going to find that shipping thing, go into my husband's email. Like, how come I didn't get it yet? And then it turns out it was already delivered. And I went running out to him, and I was like, I can't believe, excuse me, that this got delivered and you didn't say anything. And he goes, oh, what? Did you, oh, he also got some clothing he didn't tell me about. But at least he didn't open it this time. So let's toss that to the side. But actually, let's not. Look at how cute this is. So clever that they put it in there. I always say that if it's boxed well and presented well, it bodes well for the quality. Anyway, so you got a shirt. We don't care about that at all. But let's talk about what I got. So I like Filson. I don't really have like a ton of waterproof, weatherproof stuff, but I like that their stuff is. And it always comes packaged in this really nice, totally reusable dust bag. So let me open that up. I actually don't have any of the dust bags because every time I get them, my husband like commandeers them and uses them for like, I don't even know, like cable storage or, wow, it's nice. Not the plastic doohickey that's on your standard shoelace. So excited. Anyway, so I've been super into Filson ever since I got their satchel, and then I followed it up with a tote and a giant pouch. Love the tote. If you saw me on Instagram, I took that out last week. One of my top favorite totes. I have an insane amount of totes. And so I was like, oh, I really want this thing. They had I think they only have 2 sales a year, a winter and a summer. And I had been just a second. I had been coveting this beauty for 1,000 years, and I kind of felt like if I don't pull the trigger, it's really nice. So it's kind of like an olive green with a beige. It's so nice. And one of the things that was really attractive to me was the security, because I normally use an open bucket backpack. So I liked that this had security if I need it. Truthfully, when I go to the office and back, I probably will just let it hang open, but it's nice because sometimes I am out and about and I like the option to keep things closed. So that was really attractive to me. This is also waterproof. That was attractive to me. And this is most importantly, it's lightweight compared to all my other stuff. I'm really impressed with this, you guys. This might be in the rotation as a work carry very soon and probably permanently. So it's got a divided front pocket right here. Pretty modest size. I'd say it's like a phone pocket and like a charger pocket. The back has got a very nice zippered pocket with a pull on it, similar to this. See how big that pocket is. Pretty good size. It's maybe like tablet size, I would say, but it's oriented horizontally instead of vertically. And then this cute little key fob. Their stuff is really nice. Like, it has these features that other people don't have. So you see this sort of like wraparound metal here, and then the dog leash clasp. So I'm really impressed. And then let's see this. It's cute. I'm gonna put it on, test it for you. I think it's right sized. And it's funny, on their description of this bag, one of the things that they said was it's made for smaller frames, and you rarely see that. Always the backpacks are made for bigger frames so that they sort of fit all, but they don't. And so I thought that was really nice to see a backpack that was made just for me. Not just for me, but you know what I mean. Made for smaller frames. Super excited. So I'm definitely going to be using this. It is not going to be returned or exchanged. I can tell you that right now. I like it a ton. I'm going to take it to work tomorrow because I think it's supposed to be, I don't know if it'll rain. It's California, it rains like twice a year, but it's so cute and it's super comfortable. I know it's empty, but I think it's only like, I want to say it's like 2 pounds, even with all this hardware. And my other backpack, I think, is like 4.4. So it's literally half the weight. And so I'm very, very excited about it. So this is the Filson Rugged Suede backpack. It was just on sale, 35% off. I don't think it is anymore. Maybe it'll still be around in the summer sale, don't know. But if you're thinking about it, get it. It's amazing. It's super cute. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.